and the cosine function. And this is a correlation between the angle and the sine function. So I'll just say angle correlation to the sine function. That'll be the first one. And I'll do the same thing here. So this is just how one variable is connected to another. So we have the angle correlation to the cosine function. All right. Now let's go ahead and do our tangent function. And that's just going to be selecting I and J. We go to insert and then chart, XY scatter. And I'm going to select on the scatter plot again here. Now this doesn't look like it's giving us a nice distribution, but I can tell that it's proper. And so let's just go ahead and the reason why it looks so flat is because we have a point down here near a -200. If it was up around 50, then you would see a better description of the tangent function. But let me just go ahead and put the axis titles here again. So we have the tangent function. There we go. And the title here, I'm just double tapping on the title. And I'm going to call this the angle correlation to the tangent function. And that completes this assignment. I just want you guys to make sure that you follow the instructions as far as uploading. Make sure you place this into the proper folder. So you'll note I can go right back to Dropbox. And in Dropbox, I can go to the folder here. And remember that the folder is unit circle, trigonometry. So I have all of my information here. I can select on any one of these things. I have my video, I have my CMBL file, which I can use with Logger Pro. I have 2 videos for whatever reason. I have my original video, and then it looks like I just have multiple videos here. I have the origin and scale snapshot, and then I have my journal here. So one of the things that I did not do, I'm so glad that you reminded me of this, is take another snapshot so I can place that into my journal. Okay, so I'll just put another photo in here. And anything that I want to write about this, any kind of notes that I want to take, you can take it right there and you can reproduce this work. Okay, so I'm going to upload this journal one more time, share as a PDF. And let me say import to Dropbox. So it goes under trigonometry 1. I'll just save it. It's asking me if I want to replace it. Yes, I do, because I added like 3 pictures to it. It's going to replace it. One thing that I want to add to this video is the following. We did our work on the iPad, and that is absolutely wonderful. And I think that it is wonderful. I want to show you how to utilize this on the desktop, or how to access this on the desktop. This information. Now, you could easily take the video in as well. And so I am going to show you guys an application, and it's called Logger Pro. And I asked you guys to download this. If you haven't downloaded it, you have access to it. So here's Logger Pro right here. If we want to, we can just go directly to Dropbox. So I'm just going to open in. You guys may not see this drop down menu. So it makes me feel like I should just show you my whole screen, but I'm not going to do that. There's no real reason. If I do need to, I'll do it. But I'm going to go to my, I have like a whole bunch of different drives here. So I am going to go to my Dropbox folder. And you still probably can't see this, but I'm just navigating to my Dropbox folder. It's connected to my desktop. And I want to go down to unit circle, trigonometry, and then I can select on my file here, and it's going to say 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters unit circle. And what you're going to see the data here. You might even see the video, which would be awesome. Okay.